Action.
Don't give me your voice of God speech, Papa. There was a time when you could have saved me by letting me marry a boy that was still young and clean. But instead, you drove him away, drove him out of St. Cloud. And when he came back, you took me out of St. Cloud and tried to force me to marry some 50-year-old moneybag you wanted something out of. And then another, and another, and another. All of them ones you wanted something out of. I left, so Chance went away. Tried to make himself as big as these big shots you wanted to use me for a bond with. He went. He tried. The right doors wouldn't open, so he went into a couple of wrong ones. But Papa, you married for love. Why wouldn't you let me do it? While I was still alive inside, and the boy is still clean, still decent. You married for love, but you wouldn't let me do it. And even though you'd done it, you broke Mama's heart. Miss Lucy was your mistress long before Mama died, and Mama was just in front of you. Can I go in now, Papa? Can I go in now, Papa? I'm sorry my operation has brought this embarrassment on you, but can you imagine it, Papa? I felt worse than embarrassed when I found out that Dr. George Scudder's knife had cut the youth out of my body and made me a childless woman. Dry, cold, empty, like an old woman. I feel like as if I ought to rattle like a dried up vine when the cold wind blows, but Papa, I won't embarrass you anymore.